there, I'm Dr. Margaret. In this episode, I'll be talking about CO2 fractional treatment for acne scars. Ako personally, I'd rather treat the entire face. Mas gumaganda yung pinatreat nila. Tapos hahabulin pa namin in the next sessions yung mga areas na hindi pa natitreat. Masakit siya, pero to a certain degree, meron naman kasi anesthesia cream. Depends on what kind of scars do you have, how deep are your scars, what settings were used, how is your recovery, did you take care of your skin, how is your healing process. Ang daming factors. So, it depends. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. sessions. It's every 3 to 4 weeks, but that can be like a bit longer if the settings were higher, or the downtime can be 5 to 7 days for 80% of them. Some tatagal talaga ng 10 days, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, but majority is 5 to 7 days. Total time is about 2 hours. Or so gulat na siya pumipitik, parang tumitibok ang kanilang skin. And it feels so hot, and this is super normal, just being patient and waiting for time and allowing our skin just to repair itself.